Hey guys, welcome to Aspire the Simple Life, Janelle's Life blog. I am, of course, Janelle, and I have a German Shepherd named Neshoba, who is about 5 years old. We live in an 1882 home in Colorado, and we are doing some DIY stuff to the house. Living life, doing gardening stuff, doing recipes and other kind of artsy type projects in this house, and just trying to make it our own in our home in Colorado. So stay tuned for more of our great videos and hit us up with some thumbs up, and we'll see you in a few. Do with the wall, I haven't figured that one out yet, and I was trying to do something really cool where this microwave went over the range, and I wanted to move it to over the side and make a little coffee tea area, and I was drilling holes and making it look great, and it was working out real great. Got everything nice and even, measured and stuff like that. And basically I put holes in my brand new cabinet, and I have to patch those now because well, you're gonna see what happens. I decided to go ahead and drop my cabinet by removing one of the tubs that I had up there to secure everything. I thought I had everything all nice and tight and buckled down and everything, and things were in the studs. So anyway, I have to get a new microwave and figure something else out. But I guess in the long run, it's okay because microwaves aren't that really expensive anymore. They used to be really expensive a long time ago. And I guess I'm just gonna figure out something else to do with this area because of the situation. Maybe it was actually a good thing. I don't know. I still have to put more storage in this cabinet too. I kind of bummed out that I put holes in it, but there are like some some under the counter microwaves that you can actually buy, so maybe like I could still use the holes or whatever for that if I decide not to drop it this time. So yeah, stay tuned for what happened to my microwave. Alright guys, so this is an old video just to let you know. If you move forward and look at some of my other videos, you'll see that I have a new microwave placed, but I just wanted to show you some of the reasoning behind some of the things that we have done on the channel and show you some older type videos. So anyway, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys inspire you to do something wonderful in your life, no matter what it is, and inspire other people to do something wonderful in theirs. And we'll see you next time on Aspire the Simple Life, Janelle's blog.